What's up, guys? We're back, and today is Friday, February 3rd. So our grove in the back is looking great. Everything is kind of starting to form some what looks like flowers. I am showing you my ester because I have a colleague on at least on my channel, that's been asking about how this thing tastes. So he really wants to know if this thing tastes any good. Well, the ester is supposed to be harvested around probably July timeframe. So essentially it will set fruit in the spring, and you got one full year, and then essentially about 15 months worth of time on the tree. So considering that this thing flowered probably early in January of last year, so I'm considering, and I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pick one, probably this one right here, and we're gonna do an early tasting of the ester. It might not be ready, but I think I'm willing to do it because I got a lot of fruit. So let's do it. Let's see. Usually it's pretty good at, it snapped pretty good, so it might be ready, but check out the size of this fruit. It's actually pretty good. We'll weigh it here in a second. I'm kind of curious how much this thing weighs. So, but this ester has set a ton of fruit. I essentially put it into the ground November as a 5-gallon. It flowered the first spring and set fruit. So this is the fruit from last spring, and right now it's looking like it's starting to flower again. This is the second spring that it's been in the ground. You can see that there. So I'm expecting more flowers again this year. So that's why we're gonna give this a try. Of course, I gotta wait. I don't know how long it's gonna be before this thing becomes soft enough that we can actually cut it open and enjoy it. So if you guys are interested in hearing about this ester, and if we do our little taste test, you guys might want to subscribe to the channel and be a part of our team here. So in about a week, hopefully, maybe 7 days, this might be ready. I'll cut it open, I'll record it, and then I'll do a taste test. So I really think that because it's February, it might be a little early, but considering we had flowers last January, so maybe 13 months, it might be okay. So I'll continue to pick maybe one every month, just to see where the optimum time is for us to kind of enjoy the ester. And I sure hope that the flavor is good, because this is one of those varieties that I'm definitely excited about because of how it sets fruit. And the fruit is inside the canopy. You can see that. So having it be inside the canopy protects it. And the fruit is actually really big too. So if it tastes good, has good flavor, I know this one's a little early, so it can't be a good representation of what the ester is going to taste like. But for such a small tree and being so productive, I mean, this might be a tree that everybody would be interested in getting in their backyard also. Let me see if I walk around on the side to show you some of the flowers that I mean, it's starting to form buds. So a lot of see if I can get in there. It's definitely starting to push out. So, and we had a really wet winter so far. So we're expecting good things to happen this year. So I did mark it. I think I marked it. Let me see if I could find it. Oh, there it is. There's the 5-foot mark right here. So let me zoom back a little bit so you can see how big it is right now. So, oh, nice sunset in the background there. Anyways, I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you guys are keeping your avocados hydrated and Gotta make sure you stay hydrated. I am, because it's Friday, so I'm definitely gonna enjoy a nice IPA. But I'm gonna put this on the counter. And hold on, let me go weigh it. I'm gonna put this on pause and walk back up. Okay, so I weighed it, and it weighs 13.2 ounces. This was definitely not the biggest, not the smallest. There's bigger ones on the tree right now, so, and we'll see if it ripens up, and hopefully it's edible. If it ripens up and stays kind of rubbery, then that's good for us to know that it's not ready. So we'll see how it goes. But anyways, happy Friday. We'll talk to you guys later. See ya.